Wyatt Technology is pleased to introduce the highest performing multi-angle light scattering detector with 3 angles, the miniDAWN TREOS II. Accurately measure absolute molar mass and size of macromolecules and nanoparticles in solution. TREOS II overcomes uncertainties from HPLC column calibration using first principle calculations with the top performance and robust capability you have come to expect from our award-winning instruments. Simply load your samples, hit run, and your TREOS II will synchronize with your HPLC system to accurately measure molecular weight and size. Become an expert on the first day with the System Ready monitor. The all-green indicator lets you know your instrument is ready. Due to its modular design, the TREOS II can now be fully serviced right there in your lab by our highly rated field service team, greatly reducing downtime and increasing productivity. If you are considering a UHPLC system in the future for higher resolution, higher throughput, and better sensitivity, you can simply upgrade the TREOS II with a drop-in microflow cell module. Other optional modules include inline dynamic light scattering and ultrasonic cleaning. Learn more about how TREOS II delivers top performance in an easy-to-use MALS detector at Wyatt.com.